Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yes, Anthony, what happened to video? Switch on the videos.
Ma'am, our videos are switched on.
No, but I can't see Anthony, Joel, Pranav, Pavan P. Nair.
Switched on, ma'am. Anthony.
Yes, ma'am, we can see him. We can see Anthony.
Maybe some network issues, maybe. I am unable to see. Yeah, now I can see. Before I could not see you. Okay. What about others? Hridan? Yeah.
Excuse
Hridan,
me, ma'am.
Ayush,
Excuse me,
Pranav.
ma'am. Previous
Pranav.
class, you told to do seminar, but I couldn't join.
No, I told like
My video is on.
I said that I will complete the portion and then you can do it. Hridan, today your seminar?
Ma'am.
No, ma'am, my seminar was previous Wednesday, so I couldn't do it.
You could not do it today. Today 11:50 we can have second period. Okay.
Okay, ma'am, so I can do that time.
Yes. So you can do the seminar that time. Then there are some one or two more students. Who are those? Let me just check your name. Sorry. Others just go through all that process, threshing, winnowing, sedimentation, decantation, just go through it because after
Yes,
this.
ma'am, we finished in the sixth one.
Yes, just to go through so that we can go to the next process.
Okay, ma'am.
Today only one person I told to have the seminar. There are, I think, one or two students were there. 3 students I gave the portion, I remember. Who is the another person? I know after whole.
Ma'am, to Hridan, Angelina, Fida, and to Fia, you gave, right?
Fida and Fia. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why I asked Hridan. You have a seminar.
Ma'am,
To
for Hridan, it's soluble substances.
Hridan, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
So by 11:50, will you be ready for your seminar?
Okay, ma'am.
We have a second period at 11:50. Okay. So
Okay.
Hridan and Angeline, today, please be ready for the seminar. Okay. Others next week we can have. Okay. Yes. Fine. Jovel, what do you mean by sedimentation, Jovel? Others just go through your notes. What do you mean by sedimentation? Jovel Justin, are you listening me? Okay. What do you mean by sedimentation, Joel?
Yes, ma'am. Separation of two components.
Wait, Andre, I'm asking this one. Joel, he's not answering.
I said Joel. Okay.
Joel Justin. Do you know? Okay. Daniel, can you repeat what do you mean by sedimentation?
Ma'am, separation of two components in such a way that heavier substance settle down.
Settle down. Anthony Joel, repeat.
Ma'am, separation of two components in such a way that heavier components settle down.
Settle down. Okay. Okay. Anushree, what do you mean by decantation? Decantation. Okay. I'm not able to. Christoph, what do you mean by decantation?
Decantation is a process for the separation of mixtures in liquids.
Separation of mixture in liquids. Is that I
Mama,
have
you
given?
only write
In-
the that.
Immiscible
After that
liquids
you
or a liquid and a solid.
Yeah, that is the one. Okay. Who else can repeat decantation?
Ma'am, can I?
Pooja. Yeah, Pooja, say.
Decantation is a process for the separation of mixture of immiscible liquids or of a liquid and a solid.
A liquid or a solid. Okay. Do you remember the activity? What I made Daniel to do it. So when we
Yes, ma'am.
mixed with the turmeric, when we mix with the turmeric powder in the water, turmeric settled down. So what do you call for that settling down substance? We call one name. Sediment. Sediment. Okay. Now the process is sedimentation, and what you call for the turmeric powder which is settled down, we call it as a sediment. Aditi, please listen. Please be attentive in the class.
Settled down
Aditi.
object is called sediment.
Sediment. So that the substance which is settled down at the bottom of the container, we call it as a sediment. Okay. Okay, fine. Now we are moving on to the next substance. So before that, I just want to ask you, what do you mean by winnowing? Edwin, can you say what do you mean by winnowing?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by winnowing?
Process of separating heavier and lighter components of a mixture by wind or by blowing air.
By wind or by blowing air. Very good. Okay, what do you mean by hand picking? Devak Menon, what do you mean by hand picking? Very simple method. Okay, tell me, what do you mean by hand picking?
Ma'am.
Separating slightly larger stone and husk from wheat.
Okay, wheat, rice, pulses. Okay, Ahil, yes, Ahil, tell me, Ahil.
Can you send these? Can you send these definitions in the WhatsApp, because I was
already sent
absent
the
for
notes.
few days.
I have already sent the printed notes day before
Ma'am,
yesterday.
in the printed notes there is a mistake
In which part?
in the last.
What was the last? Tell me. What was the mistake?
Ma'am, ma'am wrote water and petrol, but in the answer it is saying some starch, wheat, sugar.
Can you repeat once again last question, Pranav? Read that last question.
Not last.
Which number? You tell me the number. Yes. Which number?
Pranav is muted. Ma'am, 16th question.
16th question. Okay. Devak, what was that question?
Water and petrol separation.
In that?
Answer is mixture of wheat, sugar and stock. For separating stock from the mixture, we should follow the winnowing method because milk is lighter than two other components and get separated.
Okay, I will check it and I'll tell next one because I must have been just interchange the question. Okay, let me check whether I have. Next period, I'll check it because I have to take it from my notes. Okay, I'll just go through. Maybe the placing of the answers must have interchanged. Okay, I'll check into it. Okay, fine. So threshing, who can say about threshing? Krishna, what do you mean by the word threshing? Threshing. What do you mean by threshing?
Definition right now. Used for separating grains from stalks. Machine can also be used for the process.
Okay, Krishna. Ahil, can you tell me what do you mean by threshing? Okay, Anushree. Yes, tell me what do you mean by threshing?
Ma'am, threshing is used for separating seeds or grains from the harvested stalks. Then there are 3 types of threshing. That is manual threshing, then threshing by animals. Then there are machines for threshing.
Okay, fine.
Manual.
Okay. Okay. Okay, children. Now we are moving on to the next one, filtration. All of you, you can write down which number is that. So sedimentation, decantation.
One is 7, ma'am.
7.
Seventh one is
Okay.
filtration.
Yes. So we have completed up to sedimentation.
Decantation, ma'am.
Decantation also. So sedimentation, decantation, all these are actually takes place in one method. You see, just like a tea powder. Yeah, it is interrelated. Like tea powder, you see. After making tea, after some time, if you keep the tea little while, you can see the tea leaves are settling down. That is sedimentation. And what does your mother do? Mother will use a strainer to strain that tea and give you. So that process actually known as filtration. What is the difference between decantation and filtration? Decantation means without using a strainer, we just pour that clear water without using a strainer. Okay. Or without using a sieve. So we just pour that clear water or whatever substance it is on the top. Okay. From the sediment. Clear. But filtration means what we do? We use the strainer and we will take out that sediment separately. What we take out? We take out only the sediment separately. So it is actually is the purification process. So filtration is the process in which we take out, we remove the sediment with the help of a strainer, or we can use the filtrate paper. So let us go to filtration. So we have already seen all these things. Decantation, this also we have seen.
Next filtration.
Yes, 1 minute. So next heading you can write filtration. 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 So these are the three pictures. Pictures of filtering a sediment out of after the sedimentation process, we are just separating some things from it. So the first picture it is showing is a beaker is mixed with a dirty water and clean water. So we first mix with the dirty water and clean water, from dirty water we are using a filtrate. What we call this cone like. This is a instrument in tea and we use a strainer, but in chemistry labs we use a cone. We call it a glass cone. So that is what we use in order to filtrate the sediment. So from the dirty water, we are pouring into that funnel or a cone type container, or we call it is as a funnel. As you see in the first picture, you can see it is written dirty water, funnel, and using the funnel, we are only is straining and you are getting the clean water. So this process is known as filtration. Similarly, now look at the second picture. It is a chemical substances in red in color. Okay. So what we here also we are using a funnel and then we are pouring that mixer and you are getting a sediment at the end of this funnel. Okay. Here also we will get the sediment at the end of the funnel. Another thing, instead of funnel, we can use the filter paper. So chemistry lab, if you see, we will able to buy filter paper. So filter paper more or less like a tissue paper, little more thicker. And we can cut into a cone shape and we can use that one. So we can use that one in order to filter. So it's not necessary we have to use the funnel.
Like butter paper?
It's not more or less butter paper, look like butter paper, but it is little more thicker. Okay, it is little more thicker. What does the filter paper use? Filter paper can absorb this sediment in that, so that water or whatever remaining one will be collected in the beaker. So here also we are learning this sediment, we call it as another name solid residue. Another name sediment, we also can call it as a residue. Residue means what is remaining back after the filtration. Okay, so you can write the definition of the filtration. So I think you have already have seen the filtration. So write
Yes,
the
ma'am.
definition. The process. So I will write it down.
Ma'am, can you wait?
Yes. The process the process in which a solid residue oh started moving now. 1 minute. I'll just rewrite here clearly. The process in which, others please mute it, I can hear some sound. Process in which a solid residue or sediment separate from a mixture after sedimentation process. So after sedimentation, if you separate a residue or sediment from a mixture, is known as a filtration.
Ma'am, can you give the definition of the solid residue?
Solid residue is a substance which filtrate. Okay, have you completed this? Then I can write. All of you complete, then I rub it and then I'll write.
Ma'am, complete.
Okay. Can I rub it?
No, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 1 minute last.
Okay, summarizing. Can I rub it? So those who want to write.
No.
Finish.
Okay. Solid residue is
Ma'am,
the
no, don't rub.
substance.
Ma'am, I am in last line.
Okay, I'm not rubbing. The substance which we get after filtration. The solid substance which we get after filtration is known as solid residue. These are all chemistry. We use some of the words, that is residue. Another word is precipitation. We also use in chemistry, we also use the word precipitation. Instead of residue, another word we use is precipitation. Residue means that when you strain the tea, what you get in that strainer? Tea leaves, correct? Boiled tea leaves. So that is known as residue. Okay. Similarly, muddy water.
Right, ma'am.
Yes, muddy water. After sedimentation process, what do? You just strain that mud from that muddy water. Then that mud is known as residue. Or in the sedimentation process, we call it sediment. After sedimentation, when you do the filter, we call the same thing as another name is residue. Or another name, also in chemistry, we use precipitation. That is another word we use in chemistry. Okay? Precipitation.
Excuse me, ma'am. Sediment is also known as residue, right?
Yes, which one?
A sediment is also known as residue.
Yes, but why do we call sediment that time? Sediment we call that time because during the sedimentation process we call it as a sediment. Correct. After filtration, the same thing we call it as a residue. Did you get that point? So during sedimentation process, what are the things settling down? That is, we call it sediment. It is the same thing after filtration, we call it as a solid residue. Okay, so it is depending upon the situation and the process. Chemistry, some of the names are written. Similarly, you see, we are burning some peppers, correct? Burning some peppers, what we get after burning the pepper?
Black color powder.
Black color ash you will get, correct? We call it ash. Yes, that ash also we call it as a residue. Okay, so burning ashes, so we get burning the pepper, we get ashes. That is also we get a we call it as a residue or precipitation. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. This
Yes.
dirty water we are filtering, right?
Yes.
Filtering paper. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we used to use charcoal for filtering water, right?
Which one?
Charcoal.
Charcoal. That is another process, purification of the water. Okay. In that we are not removing the residue or sediment out of it. Correct. In well water, in the water of the well water, we put charcoal, but we are not removing the mud or whatever things from that. Clear? That is only purifying the water. You can drink it. So that is, and this is different. So filtration is different. Purification is different. If I just say this picture,
Ma'am, using ma'am, in this picture it's given.
Hello?
Right?
yeah,
Ma'am,
yeah.
ma'am, using filter paper and solid residue, we can we will get a good water, right?
That is depending upon the mix. I told you, it's not necessary that we are filtering every time water. In the tea, are we filtering the water? We are filtering the tea. Okay. What if you mixing in the muddy water? Of course, you are filtering the clear water, as well as you are using filter paper. You are getting the solid residue. Now you see another word in the third picture. There is a word is known as filtrate. So all these things are, for example, this is a muddy water. Just think about, this is the muddy water. So we are doing the filtration. The mud which is absorbed by the filter paper, we call it solid residue. And after filtering, you are getting a clear water. So that is known as filtrate. Okay, so this is another chemical word we uses for whatever the clear water we got it from. After filtering muddy water, if you are getting a clear water or any substance, yes.
Ma'am, will you show the definition of filtration?
Yes, I'll give you. Filtration is over, no? Rena?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, I think Daniel can read. Rena will complete that. Read the definition of filtration.
The process
Mm.
in which
Mm.
a solid residue
Mm.
or sedimentation
Sediment, not sediment.
sediment separate from a mixture after sedimentation process.
Okay. Anyone got that? Who did not write that? Did you get that answer? The process in which a solid residue or sediment is separated from a mixture after sedimentation process. Okay. So now
Water we called, ma'am, clear water we can.
clear water after filtration, if you are getting any substance, any substance, whether the liquid substance, what we get is we call it as filtrate. For example, tea, we are filtering the tea. Which is known as filtrate in the tea? Is it tea leaf or the tea?
Leaf. Ma'am, the tea. Ma'am, the tea.
Tea after filtration, what we get? Any liquid that is known as filtrate. And what we collected in the filter paper and in the strainer, that is known as residue. Did you get that point? Residue.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so shall I write the definition of the filter paper filtrate now? Yes. So you can now learning the new word filtrate. So in filtration, we have learned two new words. One is solid residue, another one is known as filtrate. Okay. So you can write down the liquid substance or the liquid, no need of substance, you can write the liquid which we collect after filtration, by removing solid residue. Okay. The liquid which we collect after filtration by removing solid residue. So that is known as filtrate.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, after filtering the dirty water, it will be color change.
There will be slight color change, okay? Because it depends upon the mud. Some muds are very dark in color. Correct? Dark in color. It will be little more white. May not be that much. It depends upon the which type of dirty water we are using. Some water is just black color. It is not necessary we will get fully white color in that. Okay. So, but we can just say it's a clear water. For example, when muddy water, for example, when a muddy water undergo, when a muddy water undergo
very black because the rain will fall every time into it.
Yes. But you see, we are getting the water from Panchayat and all for drinking. So they are not only doing this, they are using chemical by putting bleaching powder and some other chemical purification.
Like
Okay,
chlorine.
This is filtration and all for a small quantity of liquid. For example, tea, coffee. Tea, coffee. If you want to separate the turmeric powder from the turmeric water, we can use. That's all. Otherwise, we don't use that as much. Okay. When a muddy water undergo filtration.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I make a filtration paper.
Yes. Solid residue is mud and filtrate.
Ma'am, Krishna is showing something.
Krishna, please complete this first. Okay, afterwards. After that. Okay, let them everyone complete it. Then I will make you to show. Is mud and filtrate is.
Ma'am, should we write for example?
Yes. This is for you to understand better what do you mean by solid residue and filtrate. When a muddy water undergo filtration, the solid residue is mud and filtrate is clear water. So you will understand the difference between the filtrate and residue.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you took attendance.
No. First complete writing. Yes. Have you completed, children?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am, 1 minute. Last.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. Because Krishna, you have the filter paper in your hands. Where is she?
And she's showing.
Okay. Wait 1 minute, sir. Let me stop the share. Yes. So I'm just stop the share. I hope everyone is completed. Where is Krishna? Okay. So this is we can get it from a chemical shop also. Okay, Krishna, can you show that filter paper? Rise it up. Okay. Who is using that filter paper at home? Krishna,
Yes, ma'am.
how you got the filter paper?
Ma'am, I make it paper, ma'am.
Huh?
Make it paper.
Oh, it's a paper, not a filter paper actually. It is an ordinary paper. Okay, fine. So she just made a cone and show it. Okay. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Krishna. It is actually not the filter paper she is showing. She is making a funnel and showing. Actually, filter paper is, we can get it from the shops where we sell the chemical lab items. Okay, that's a particular paper. That is why our ordinary paper may not be a good filter paper. So everything may not, every solid residue may not be collected by the ordinary paper. You can do it. I'm telling you, can do it. Even you keep 2-3 tissue paper, 2-3 tissue paper, you can make it stick together, and you can make a filter paper. More or less, it's just, but it is a little bit hard. The filter paper, it is hard, and also it have very small pores in it. Into it. Yes, Aditi, are you showing something? Okay. Okay, children. So I will be taking the attendance in the 11:50 class. Okay. So I want all of you present now. Should be present in 11:50 class.
After filtrate, what is there?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, after filtrate, what is there?
After filtrate,
Ma'am, mud and filtrate. After that, what is there?
Is clear.
no, I just thought mud is the solid residue, and the filtrate is clear water. Clear water.
The water after filtrating, we can drink it.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay, bye. So we will meet in the 11:50 class. Okay, children.
Okay,
That day I'll
ma'am.
take attendance. Now also students are very less. Students are very less. 25
Ma'am,
or
there was
26.
27.
Yeah. So
There was
we are total 40
then they
students.
gone.
Total 40 students we have. So I want 11:50 all of you present. Okay, bye.
Okay, ma'am.